Service. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Jenkins County in southeastern Georgia, Screven County in southeastern Georgia, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Capitolo, moving southwest at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Statesboro, Sylvania, Newington, Rocky Ford, Dover, Hope You Like It, Capitolo, Georgia Southern, Altman, and Hunters. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.